Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about Minswap versus Sundaeswap. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So for those of you who don't know what Minswap and Sundaeswap is, these are basically decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap and Uniswap, but these are based out of Cardano network. So if we go and check the tokenomics of the native token, so Minswap is the which is also called as Min. It's a native token of Minswap decentralized exchange with a supply of around 5 billion min. And if we check the all-time returns over here, it started from July 2022 and it's up by 25%. It still has a long way to go, but I think this token has the potential and can rise in the future. Like even if it reaches $1 or so, it would be like around 15th or 16th, you can say, on the top cryptocurrencies as per the market capitalization, if the overall market cap remains the same by this year end. And there are a lot of bullish comments on this token because the interface is good. And as you know, Cardano has lesser gas fees as compared to Ethereum network has the highest gas fees over here, and only 14.07 is the circulating supply in total right now. And if we go and check the Sunday swap is down by 93% all time. Now, this was similarly launched in April 2022 and that was June 2022. As you can see, the context is Cardano, and over here also contact is Cardano. And I don't know what the reason is, but it's down by 93%. I will need to check, but I think if there is no problem as such and people sold it just out of fear, then this token can rise. I need to check because I'm not able to track the circulating supply and the total supply on coin market cap. But I have some other ways. I will soon find it out about Sunday Swap. And if we talk about the interface over here, as you can see, this is the Minswap interface. It looks clean, and you have the option of connecting the wallet over here. So there are multiple wallets out here. So one is a Min wallet, then there is Ledger. I personally use Yoroi because it also has a mobile application to it, and I've installed it on my mobile phone. Then they have Nami, Flint, Eternal, Typhoon, Gero, and Trezor. Now we will check the wallets on the Sunday Swap. So this is the Sunday Swap interface, as you can see. And if I go ahead and click on wallet over here, then they also have the say similar wallet like Nami, Eternal, Gero, similar to Minswap. So let me go ahead and connect my wallet on both of this. I will go ahead and connect my Yoroi wallet over here. So as you can see, my wallet is already connected and I have some Minswap and ADA tokens on this. And similarly, I will go ahead and collect my wallet over here. For some reason, it's not loading. I will go and select the wallet. Hold on. And Yoroi is showing in experimental wallets on SundaeSwap, but still the option is available. And hardware wallets are not yet available over here. For some reason, my Euro is not getting connected. Usually, it gets connected. Maybe the system is slow. That's why. Anyways, we'll come over here, and as you can see, they have the trade options over here, where you can trade your ADA tokens with any other token based on Cardano blockchain. So there are a lot of options out here. You can do your own research and check if any good token is out here. You can simply swap your ADA and get that token. And they also have this liquidity. They also have this pool farming. So liquidity, basically you have to provide liquidity to the pool where you will be getting your liquidity pool tokens which can be used for farming. Then they also have this launch ball where new tokens are usually launched over here, and they have this link for a governance. Governance you don't have to bother much because this is only for people who want to go into the legality of this thing. Now if we go to Sunday Swap, they also have the similar option of swap. So basically you can select ADA over here, and these are all the tokens which are available. So I will go and close this. and they also have the option of providing liquidity. So it's showing, sorry, looks like your wallet is not connected. Let me try and connecting my wallet again. It's not getting connected for some reason, because earlier I checked, I was able to connect it. So they also have this liquidity option. Now if you will ask me, I like Minswap much better because of the clean interface. The token is doing good, they have the proper circulating supply, and it has huge potential. Although do your own research, and whichever a decentralized exchange gives you the best rate out there, you can go ahead and swap tokens using this. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.